What is radix 2, radix 8, radix 10 and radix 16 number system? Perform the following operations. In number systems, radix means base of the number system. Therefore, radix 2 means the base of number system is base is 2, that is nothing but binary number system. Similarly, radix 8 is base is 8, that is octal number system. Radix 10 means base of number system is 10, that is nothing but decimal number system. And finally, radix 16 means base of number system is 16, which is nothing but hexadecimal number system. Operations. The first one is we supposed to convert octal number system into decimal. The given octal number system is 1234.56, which is in octal, which is equal to. Now we'll try to convert the octal number system into decimal number system, as radix or base is 10 here, as radix or base is 8 here, so it is octal number system. So here we can observe that this is the decimal point, this is 0th position of the number, this is first position, this is second position, and this is third position. After decimal point, this is 0th position, this is first position. So now we'll try to convert 1234 into decimal. Therefore, we supposed to multiply each bit, that is 4, into base of this number system is 8, then positional value is 0, plus next number is 3, that is I can write 3 into base is 8, positional value is 1, plus next we have number 2, I can write it as 2 into 8 power 2, plus then finally we have number is 1, that is 1 into 8 power 3, plus, so all numbers are got over here. Here we have decimal point. After decimal point we have 5, that should be considered as 5 into 8 power, sorry, here the positional value is, this is minus 1 and this is minus 2, that is 8 power minus 1 plus 6 into 8 power minus 2. I will try 4 plus 8 into 3 is 24, plus 8 square is 64 into 2, that is 128, plus 8 power 3 is 512, plus it is 5 by 8, next one is 6 by 8 power 2. So simplifying this, it gives 668.71875. So to convert hexadecimal into octal, first we'll try to convert this number into binary. We know that in binary number system, each hexadecimal number is represented by 4 bits of binary, that is B is nothing but 11. 11 is represented in binary as 1011. A is 10, which is 1010. D is 13, that is 1101. We have decimal point here. Next one is D. D is nothing but 1101. is 1010. Next D is 1101. So this is in binary. Now we'll try to convert from binary into octal. So we know that to convert binary into octal, we supposed to do the grouping of 3 bits from the decimal point. So here we have decimal point. So this is the first group having 3 bits. This is second group having 3 bits. The third group 3 bits, and this is fourth group 3 bits. Similarly, this is first group 3 bits, second group 3 bits, this is 3 bits, and this is 3 bits. We supposed to do the 3 bits because in octal number system, base of octal number system is 8, which can be represented as 2 power 3. So we supposed to consider 3 bits. So now 101 is equivalent to 5 in octal number system. Next we have 110 is equivalent to 6. Next we have 101 is 5. 101 is 5. Decimal point we have 110 is nothing but 6. Next we have 110, that is also 6. Next we have 101, that is 5. Next we have 5, which is in octal. So next number is 988.86, which is in decimal. We supposed to find hexadecimal equivalent of this. So to convert decimal number into hexadecimal, we supposed to divide the number by 16, that is base of hexadecimal number. So first we'll take the full number, that is complete number, that is 988. Divide this number by 16 repeatedly until further division is not possible. So this is 16 6 96, remainder is 2, it will become 28. Then 16 ones are 16, 28 minus 16, it gives 12, the remainder is 12. So 12, the equivalent to C in hexadecimal. So this is C. Further divide 61 by 16. 16 3 is a 48. 61 minus 48 gives 13. So 13 is nothing but in hexadecimal it is D. So further division is not possible. Therefore now we are supposed to represent number from bottom to top fashion, that is 988, which is in decimal, is equal to 3. Next number is D. Next number is C in hexadecimal. The fraction number, that is 0.86. We supposed to multiply with 16 here, that is 16. It gives, it is nothing but 13.76. So we have to consider only this number. So 13 is equivalent to D. Next the decimal part is, that is 0.76. Further we have to multiply with 16, that is 76. So consider this number now, that is nothing but C in hexadecimal. The remaining number is 0.16 into 16 is equal to 2.56. 2 in decimal is same as 2 itself. So further multiply with 16, it gives 8.96. So now we are supposed to write this full number, that is 8. So further if we keep on multiply, it will never become 0. So we supposed to stop this process. Therefore 988.86, which is in decimal, is equal to 3DC point. Now we supposed to write these numbers from top to bottom, that is DC to 8, which is in hexadecimal. Thank you for watching.